I couldn't find a suitable translation for this traditional Croatian dish. I called it rooster jelly. Cut the rooster into pieces and put it to cook. Add small onion, garlic, and salt. Fat is very important for thickening this dish. In order for the jelly to be thick enough, the soup must be cooked for a long time. When the soup is cooked and becomes thick, I will put it in a container and leave it in the cold to cool down overnight and thicken into jelly.